Myself Abdullah Akhtar. The title of my project is a digital multimeter. The reading of this multimeter is very accurate. I will compare the reading of this multimeter with an ordinary multimeter. Here the schematic diagram for the project. This is 16x2 LCD. The first pin is ground, second is VCC, third goes to the center of the potentiometer, fourth one connect with the pin 12 digital pin of Arduino, fifth one is again ground, sixth one goes towards the 11th pin of Arduino. Then 16 pin is again ground, 15 pin is connected with VCC plus 5 volt. This is used for the backlight of the LCD. 14 pin goes toward digital pin 2, 13 pin goes towards 3, 12 pin goes towards digital pin 4, and finally 11th pin goes towards the digital pin of 5 of the Arduino. This portion is used for measuring the resistance. Here a 340 ohm resistor which is connected with plus 5 volt, and this terminal and the ground terminal from the Arduino is used to calculate the resistance. This portion is used for calculating the voltage. Here 10 kilo ohm resistor and 700 ohm resistor are connected in series. The central pin goes towards the analog pin A0 of the Arduino. Here plus 5 volt, here plus volts, and here negative volts. These two terminals are used to measure the external voltage of the sources. Sorry, here a little mistake. Here this also goes towards analog pin A1 and other port. These two are used for calculating the resistance. First of all, I measure the resistance of this resistor with an ordinary multimeter. The resistance of this resistor is 333 ohm. Now I measure this resistance by using my own multimeter. These two probes are used to measure the resistance. I connect the probes and the resistance is 344.69 ohm. Now I measure the voltage of this battery. The voltages are 8.12 volt. These two probes are used to measure the voltage. I connect the probes with the battery and the voltage are 8.25 volt. The reading of my multimeter is very close to the reading of an ordinary multimeter. Now I measure the current 0.02 ampere. The question is how I measure the current? Simply by using Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. I measure the voltage, then I measure the resistance. From the Ohm's law, I is equal to V over R. I measure the current. That is 0.02 ampere. And the power is 0.20 watt. Again voltage are 8.13, 343.34 ohm resistance, 0.02 ampere current, and the power is 0.19 watt. So that's all from me. A digital multimeter which can measure power, resistance, current. I hope you like it. Have a nice day.